It is another interesting episode on Hamster Kombat Daily Combo. So you are welcome to the Saferhub. Today we'll be unveiling the three cards. Some of the cards are locked, which implies you have to unlock them and get to a particular level before you can actually use the card. So today we'll be showing you how to unlock cards and also claim your 5 million coins for today. Alright, let's begin by clicking on Daily Combo. Okay. So the first card for today is under specials. So you click on specials tab, click on new cards. Okay, so the first card for today is launching a rocket to the Mars. So this is the first card. We'll go ahead to confirm if this is the first card for today. Alright, the first card has been unveiled. The second card for today is under Web3. So you click on Web3. And the second card is NFT Metaverse. So click on NFT Metaverse and go ahead to confirm if this is the second card. Okay, the second card has been unveiled. So the third card for today is under PR and Team. So you click on PR and Team and then scroll down to Data Center Tokyo. So the third card for today is Data Center Tokyo. But as you can see, it's locked. You need to be on Dubai office level 1 to unlock this. So let's get to Dubai office and get to level 1 to unlock it. Alright, so Dubai office is under special new card. Then you locate Dubai office. Scroll down to Dubai office. So here is Dubai office. Dubai office is also locked. So these are the processes. You need to be on license UAE level 15 for you to unlock Dubai office. So let's go to license UAE level 15. License UAE is under legal. So license UAE, I'm already, look at it here, I'm on level 13. So I need to be on level 15 first to unlock Dubai office, and then be on level 1 on Dubai office for me to unlock the third card for today, which is Data Center Tokyo. This is 1.6 million. So I'm now on level 15 of license UAE. So let's go back to specials, new cards, and then scroll down to Dubai office. Yes, Dubai office is now unlocked. As you can see, I need to burn 1 million coins. I need to burn 1 million coins to be on level 1 of Dubai office. I'm now on level 1 of Dubai office. Let me now go back to PR and Team and then check if my Data Center Tokyo is now unlocked. Data Center Tokyo is now unlocked. Look at Data Center Tokyo. It's unlocked. So this is now the third card for today. It's unveiled. So that's the process of unlocking cards